Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the battery in your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z. To begin, gather your tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Start by flipping your laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 6 screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you should see the battery clearly marked. Before proceeding, ensure you are grounded to avoid static damage. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If you're unsure about your skills, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best service possible. Next, remove the screws that hold the battery in place. There are usually 3 screws securing the battery module. Carefully lift the battery out of its compartment and set it aside. Take this moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the soft cloth. Keeping your device clean can significantly improve its performance. Now, take the new battery and position it in the same space as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before replacing the back panel, it's a good idea to test the laptop. Plug it in and power it on to check if the new battery is recognized. If you encounter any issues, or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Once you've confirmed the battery is functioning correctly, proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the 6 screws to secure the panel, ensuring they are tightened evenly to avoid any future issues. Finally, wipe down the exterior of your laptop to remove fingerprints or smudges. With your new battery installed and your laptop cleaned, you're all set to go. If you're ever in need of assistance, we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect before any work is done. Enjoy the extended battery life on your ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.